Good afternoon. We're out here today and we're doing a preliminary walkthrough of the 30th annual Cherokee Yacht Club Lighted Boat Parade, originating from the Cherokee Yacht Club, and the guest slips were right here, and the parade party will begin at 3 p.m. dockside and take off from here at dark, which will be approximately around 6 p.m. and we're going to go make some of the stops. This is a beautiful day, just like we hope that the day of the boat parade it will be. So we'll make our next move. Parade will leave from Cherokee. The party that afternoon starts at 3 p.m. is totally open to the public, and there's ample parking spaces and a great viewing spot for the entire parade. We'll leave Cherokee and come down Duck Creek. Our first turn point will be in front of Harbor's View Marina right here. Again, a great vantage point to view the parade from. After turning at Harbor's View Marina, we'll then travel up the south boundary of Duck Creek, and our next vantage point is Arrowhead Yacht Club. The entire parade will pass the entrance of the Arrowhead Yacht Club. Another great spot to view the parade from, either outside or inside, and you can also get on the outside deck. And from this point, we're going to continue going up and south, the south shore of Duck Creek, and arrive up at Spinnaker Point. Between Spinnaker Point and Arrowhead Yacht Club is Arrowhead South, another great vantage point right on the banks of Duck Creek. Again, ample and plenty of parking in the parking lot or on the docks to view the parade from. We'll now head on up to Spinnaker Point. We're now most of the way up Duck Creek, and we're at Spinnaker Point over here to my right, one of the first condo developments on Grand Lake. And you can see, looking back, all of the houses on both banks of Duck Creek. Cherokee Yacht Club, Harbor's View Marina, Arrowhead South, and now Spinnaker Point all offer great places to view the parade from. We are now out here at the very mouth of Duck Creek. On our left is the east shore and the point of the Cove's development. The parade will now turn left and we'll go up the Cove's development bluff, where all the private homes above and both sides of Duck Creek will have had an outstanding view of the parade.